Frank, and today I've got out one of my larger rocket gliders that I've converted to a pusher propeller. This is using a 2836 2200 kV motor with a 6x4 prop. You can see I've mounted the prop high above the tube so it can get a little airflow over the top instead of trying to suck air from around the back of the tube. Two things that does besides that, it wants to pitch down on hand launch, so I have to get on the elevator right away before it's got a lot of airspeed to keep the nose up. Second thing is, when you roll upside down, it doesn't need a bunch of up trim, but when you roll upside down, if you don't chop the throttle to complete a loop, it'll actually want to pitch up a little bit. So flying inverted almost needs no downstick because it's already got a little nose up with that. But this was one of my favorite rockets, called the Interceptor, when I was a kid. I've upscaled the wing and the model, of course, by quite a bit, running just Elevon controls. It's a 9mm depron and a 4-inch body tube. The nose cone is handmade from about 12 pieces of 9mm depron, laminated together, triangles, glued to a coupler, and then hand-shaped. All the vinyl's hand-cut on this. The only paint is on the little wing tips. Anyway, it's kind of a neat design I really like. It's about 72 inches long. It's using a 2200 4-cell pack. It's got a little battery bay with a magnet, and weighs about 35 ounces, ready to fly. Crossed, let's look at it. There we go. It's just a little sketchy on the hand launch. But once it's up and going, it only needs about half throttle. So I'm getting about 7 minutes flight out of it. The other thing is that motor has quite a bit of pull, so it wants to pull out of my hand, so I'm trying to put it at the right angle, and it's trying to pull out of my hand at the same time as I'm trying to throw it. So the hand launch goes okay, it's generally okay. That roll rate's quite good. So on loops, I either need to keep the power on, keep it coming around, or chop the throttle here, and then the nose will drop down. That's the only weirdness due to the high thrust line. That also gets the prop high enough that it won't catch on the runway on landing. Real well behaved. Very big and graceful looking too. Come around. So this is 50% throttle and almost no forward stick. Outside loops are no problem. Yeah, we'll try and do some passes down the runway. It's almost easier flying inverted than right side up. I'll try to do some more passive for you. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yeah, 2 minutes, I'll just do some. Drops the nose, doesn't do anything really weird. Nice. Plane's big and it has a long nose, so I don't like to get it too low to the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't react as fast as my land. It'll slow down pretty good though. And I'll do one more circuit like that, and then I'll kind of land from there. See if I can judge it okay.